Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make Desmos 0.9.8 faster. So the last time I did this vid, I forgot to make Hypercam. Well, the first time I recorded this, it was not Eternal Microphone. It was something else, stereo consistent something thing. Well, this is that, and this is that. I'll close the magnifier first, and this me actually, and then I just use the magnifier then and go to config 3D settings, and then you check the enable textures, line hack stuff, and then you press OK. And then you go to config again. You already know what to do with the control settings and the hotkey settings, so they're mostly alike. And the sound settings, you just check the dual SPU sync, async, traditional, and well, you just do that and that and that. And if you think I'm too fast, you just pause the vid and copy the settings. Well, then go to firmware settings, and did that, blah 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 blah, and then config again, then emulation settings. You have to uncheck all of these. All of these you uncheck all of that, and somewhat auto detect save type, eternal microphone settings, don't touch that, or if you want, just use what I chose there. Path settings says what, well, that's where your files go. Where do your files go? That's the path settings. Well, the path of downloading is my path. Yeah, it's my path. Really my path. Okay, so all you need to do really is the stuff I did, and I changed them. If I didn't, just press OK. So that's it for today. Comment, rate, subscribe, and enjoy. And if you are using a PC instead of a laptop, I don't really know what's the outcome of this because I'm using a notebook. So that's it. I'm saying a bit of stuff there that I really forgot, but that's it. I'll leave this to the vid to finish up and stuff. So bye bye.